So welcome to our 36th Visual Basic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to get the information of your computer and display it in a form. So as you can see here, I've already got a form and I have 20 labels, and I've just changed the text of all of them like this and left the ones on the right just as they are. So we've got 20 labels, 10 on the left and 10 on the right, and we're going to be getting the PC name, the operating system name, the OS version, OS platform, whether the network is connected, whether the mouse buttons have been swapped, whether the mouse has a wheel, whether caps lock is on, num lock is on, and scroll lock is on. So now that we've done all of that, you need to go into all Windows Forms here and find a timer. And the reason we're using a timer is because, especially these last three, these are likely to change while they're using it, so we want these to update automatically. So we've got a timer 1 here, and leave it as it is, the name. Leave the interval as 100, that's fine, 100 milliseconds. Enabled is true. So now if we double click on this button, on the timer, sorry, and if we go back into our form, you can see label 11 is going to display the computer name. So in here, all we have to do is label 11.text equals and then my.computer.name. Simple as that. So now label 12 is going to display the operating system name. So in here, what we do is just label 12.text equals my.computer. And then info dot and then OS full name. So that's that. So the next one is OS version. So I'm actually just going to copy this here and all the way up to my.computer. So copy that and paste that here to change it to label 13. And this is going to be info dot and then I think it was version. Yep, version. OS version. Select that. And the next one is OS platform. So again, we're going to copy this, and this is going to be labeled 14. And info dot and then OS platform. Select that. The next one is whether the network is connected. So we're going to just paste that again. 15 my.computer.network dot is available, so that will display true or false. The next one is mouse button swapped. Just ignore that. Mouse button swapped. So that is basically if you're left-handed and you swap the left and the right mouse button over, so they do the opposite actions. So mouse button swapped is labeled 16. So if we just paste that again, change this to 16, and my.computer dot and then mouse dot button swapped. So again, that will display true or false. In most cases that will be false. Mouse has wheels, label 17. Oops. So for label 17, that's going to be mouse again dot will exists, so that's going to display true or false. Caps lock on, num lock on, and scroll lock. So for these last ones, we just need to do label and then 18 dot text equals my.computer dot keyboard dot and then caps lock, and then paste that again. That's 19 my.computer.keyboard dot numlock. So all of these last ones are going to display true or false again. And then 20 is scroll lock. So we're going to do my.computer.keyboard dot scroll lock, and that's all we need to do. So if we run this now, and you see here it's just populating it all. So you see PC name, that's my computer name there. And then we've got OS is Microsoft Windows 7 Home Premium. OS version, so that's the update version of the operating system. OS platform Win32NT. Network connected true. Mouse button swap false. Has wheel true. Caps lock on false. Then I put it on and it comes true, and you see that changes. Numlock on, I'll toggle that on and off as well. And scroll lock on, yeah, I've changed that, and you see it automatically updates. So that's how to display the information about the computer inside of your form. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe if you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.